Hello, welcome to my beginner course in SolidWorks. So today I'll be showing you how to create basic shapes and basic functions within SolidWorks. So let's get started. So when you first open SolidWorks, you're greeted with this menu. You have so many features in the taskbar that it is about like, why are you gonna get confused? We have features, sketch, evaluate, Dim expert, SolidWorks add-ins, simulations, SolidWorks MB, SolidWorks CAM, and analysis preparation. So today we're going to focus on the basics. So let's make a sphere and some basic 3D shapes and see what we could do. Okay, so first you have to choose which plane you want to draw on. Since it's in 3 dimensions, you choose, I personally like starting from the top plane. So that's what we're going to do. You're going to click on it, and then you're going to click on sketch. So now you're going to sketch on top plane. From here, you're going to be able to use your drawing thing in order to make shapes. So you can make, for instance, a circle. You can make rectangles. You can make slots. So this is one. Ooh, pretty interesting. You can make hexagons, octagons. We can also make ellipse. Ooh, pretty interesting, isn't it? The possibilities of SolidWorks are endless. So now you're wondering, what do we do with all these? Well, how about we combine them all in one? Let's just make one cohesive shape. Well, not so cohesive, since it's pretty whack, to be honest. So let's go to trim entities. So for trim entities, all you do is click and drag your mouse over certain lines. As this, you get rid of all these lines and you're able to create one solid shape. Oops, you see I made a mistake. I accidentally did this line. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back and start all over. So click on trim entities. Trim all that's not needed. Okay, you see this one's done. You could zoom in right here to get rid of this, and then zoom out. We're gonna get rid of this line, and then we're gonna get rid of this line, this line right here, this line right here, and let's see what else. And that's about it. Oh, nope. We still need this. So now that we've completed this, we get this shape. It's kind of weird, but for our purposes, we'll keep it. So now we're going to go to features. Within features, we're going to want to extrude it. So you may be asking yourself, what does extrude mean? So basically, we're just stretching it out. So we're going to click extrude, and we're going to click on the body one. We want this one and this one. Ta-da! So now you press the space bar and you're able to reorient it easier. So as you can see, the extrude means we're going to stretch it out and make it a 3D shape. From here, you have many options on the left tab. So you can sketch from plane, sketch from surface, plane, vertex, or offset. So for us, we're going to do it from the plane. That's what we're working on. We can also control the dimensions. We can even extrude an insane number. And it might look like it, but SolidWorks did it for us. We could also do a super small number. So 0.003 or 0.02 and extrude for us paper thin. But let's do a little bit more. Let's go 3 inches. As you can see, it's been extruded. And we can also do, and bind is only extruding one direction, but we could do up to body, up to midplane, offset surface, And we can also choose the direction of the extrusion. So you can choose to go in direction 2, and so on. So we'll just use this for right now. So now this is our 3D shape we have right now. Pretty interesting. So maybe you want to learn how to get rid of some sharp corners. Like say you don't want these are all pretty round, and you're not happy with this side of the shape. So what you would do is you would use the fillet tool. So the fillet tool is right here. You have many different options, but we're not going to do chamfer because we want it to be round. So we're going to do fillet. You go to fillet, and you click on all the edges you want. So say you want this one to be more round. Rotate this. You want these 3 right here to be round. So there's one right here, and one right here. Boom. Okay. So these are the ones we're gonna want to shave off and make round. So we're gonna go to full preview, so we can see how it's gonna look like when it's curved. Okay. So you could change the fillet parameters. We're gonna leave it as symmetric because that's what we want it all throughout. So you can just slowly increase it, and you can see the yellow indicates how it's gonna be like sanded down and curved. So let's agree. So we want it to be 1 inch fillet. And ta-da! Rounded corners. Starting to look like a car now. Interesting. Okay, so these are some of the basic tools that you can use in Excel. But say you want to draw something on this space. And you go space. Alright? And then you're going to click on it, right click on it, and you're going to go new sketch. So say we want to, since look at the car, say we want to define the wheel a little bit more. So we'll go right here, and we'll draw a circle. And then we're going to go to feature and go with extrude cut. And we're going to click on it. So what this is going to do is it's going to make a cut through the whole thing. So, oops, I changed directions. Okay, so we're going to accept the cut. And now it's made a hole. It doesn't have to be just a circle. You can make any shape you want for any type of cut. But let's say you want to add a wheel on the back to make it more symmetrical. So what we're going to do is we're going to right click again on this face, and we're going to go to edit sketch. So now that we edited a sketch, we're going to add a wheel right here. So let's just place a circle right here. And now we're going to want to get rid of these lines that are connecting. So this will be gone, this will be gone. And ta-da! We have our circle. So now we're going to go to features. No, we're going to exit sketch. First we're going to have to exit our sketch. Oh no! Oh no biggie. So, as you can see, that didn't go as planned. When that happens, you can always go back, just like in a Google Doc. And this is the genius part of CAD. If you mess up, it's so easy to redo, opposed to actually making a 3D model by hand out of clay. Because you'd be spending hours just to create something, and if you mess up, you have to start all over. Which is really not what you want to be doing. So, you want to just go back to our original sketch. And then exit sketch. So you go back to where we're at. So these are just some of the basic things I can show you within video 1. But if you like and subscribe, and I get 20 likes, I'll make a part 2 and go in more depth into CAD.